Listen to the RPMs on that. Today we're going to be looking at an orbital sander. And nice long cord. Comes with a filter. It actually comes with some starting discs, sanders. Instructional manual. We will be demonstrating this today, and all the views and opinions in this video are my own, and I'd like to thank the seller for sending it to us for review. Alright, so we're going to put the sandpaper on here. It might come with other ones. Yeah, this is a 220, 240. So you get a real strong grit here, and then a real fine grit here. Let's start with the strong stuff. A little abrasive grit sandpaper here in 80 grit. Nice and simple. You can't get no more simple. Just like so. And this looks like it just kind of snaps on. Goes one way. There's a little notch in there. There. Oh. And it does have an up arrow too, for those of you like me who don't pay attention to up arrows. This here is a speed control. So you got one for your lowest setting. And then you get right up all the way into number 6, which is probably super blast sanding. Both has a workbench, and it's also a sun chair. I got an umbrella for it. Okay, so we got the on-off switch, which is protected, which is kind of nice. That's a nice little feature. It keeps the dirt and the sawdust from getting and interfering with this power button. I like that a lot, actually. Let's get the orbital sanding with the Haichika. Listen to the RPMs on that. Let's turn it up a notch. Oh no. Look at that. We're gonna jump right up to the finest grit that they offer with this package here. They do make a less abrasive grit than this also, sandpaper. So we're going to crank this back down a little bit. Alright, here it goes. Let's get this one. Oh, I like their catchphrase also. You're not going to be able to see it, so I'll read it to you. Better tools for better life. I should have had my glasses on for that. Probably not going to be a lot in here, if anything. We didn't do a lot of sanding, so there's some stuff in there. A little bit. Caught it. Did what it's supposed to do.